Okay, well, welcome to the Protect My Home. Today I'm installing a whole house surge protection. I have a Square D panel for whole house. So I'm looking to install this home line surge protection. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Actually, it should fit right in. So let me show that. So basically it just clicks in, it's got a status light, okay, and replace light, and of course this one goes to neutral. So basically I have some free spots. The idea is to put it either here or on this side. So I probably will put it on this side here, right like that. And let me show you how this is done. So I will try not to edit this video from start to finish. Honestly, it's a pretty simple project. It should not take long. So first I'll remove the panel. I'm using the small square here, screwdriver. So I'm just remove those. Okay, I got him out. Let me remove the panel. So this is brand new house, recently built. So as you see right here, I got all the grounds. On one side, I got my neutral on here and here. So I'm planning to put my surge protection on here on top. So basically all I have to do is choose a ground where it goes. So, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a ground somewhere, neutral. So let me see how this is going to work. Alrighty, let me put it this way. So it should be pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to click it. Alright, it's already in. And now, actually, I'm gonna straighten this a little bit and get to my neutral screw here. Okay. This is tight. My status light is already on. It's that simple. So I will go ahead and remove these two here for the surge. Alrighty. And my neutral is nice and in there. And panel goes in just like that. Yep, it's perfectly fit in. Let me just get the screws in. Okay, I'm just gonna add these two here. Let me get the phone so I can show you how that looks. So pretty much this is the way it looks. Very, very simple. It literally takes 5 minutes. So this is the Home Series 2175SB. So as far I remember, they are covering up to $10,000, as you see, of connected equipment. The unit itself comes with a 2-year warranty, and as far I remember, this unit cost at Amazon like $75 or something like that. So the surge arrestor is 22.5 kiloamps per phase. So I mean, very nice, very simple project. So, and yes, follow us for more videos. Click subscribe button, so I will definitely put more videos. So, and I will definitely suggest hire some professional. I myself, I am a licensed electrician, so but if I will not suggest do it by yourself. I mean, but it's a very, very simple project. If you know electricity, I mean, watch this video, and I mean, you can try to do this again. Just be careful out there. Bye bye.